Hey there Tech Packers, I'm here with news of a brand new firmware update for what is arguably the best 8K 360 consumer camera currently available. Insta360 recently announced a new firmware update for the X4, that's version 1.2.21, that brings all new features and exciting updates. Now these updates will make the X4 easier to use and work with more devices. Let me give you a quick rundown of the updates right now, starting with what I think are the most exciting new features that I think I will be using. Why did I do that? That's weird. The X4 Webcam Mode feature has now been upgraded and enhanced to support 360 live broadcasting, giving you even more options for sharing immersive experiences. If you want to create an immersive and interactive experience for audiences around the world, simply connect your camera to your laptop and start broadcasting 2:1 footage live. That's that 360 format. Now this setup is perfect for events, concerts, and sports. Check out how Moto America is already using 360 live broadcasting to transform how their fans watch the action on two wheels. Now I can't say I'll be using this in exactly the same way, but I will be using it to live stream an immersive video on my travels soon, especially with the eSIM deal I'm going to tell you about in an upcoming video. Be sure to come back soon to find out more about that. Now yes, you can even go live on your favorite platforms and connect with your followers wherever they are and wherever you want. Simply open the Insta360 app, go to shooting preview, switch to 360 live or reframe live mode, and pick your favorite live stream platform. This firmware update also makes your X4 compatible with more products. First, new Apple Watch connectivity gives you complete control from your wrist. You can start and stop recording, switch modes, adjust parameters, check and display your camera status, and even more directly with your Apple Watch. And now there's also compatibility with the Insta360 GPS Action Remote, giving you another way to get a fast, stable connection to control your camera remotely when it's mounted out of reach, and you can even wake your camera up even when it's turned off. Really great if you already own one of these. Here's another new update, especially for you if you shoot in 24 frames per second. 48 frames per second is now available in 5.7K and 4K for 360 video, meaning you have an option for slowing down the footage for half speed slow motion on a 24 frames per second editing timeline. Nice. And rounding out the major new features for those using Android on their mobile devices, you can now connect your Android device to the camera via a USB cable for camera control, preview, and playback. Now there are some other updates like new supports for multi-view with default face tracking to show two perspectives in the same video, and extra developer support for 360 footage in compatible industry applications, including real estate and construction. But yes, overall it's a pretty good update, and I'll be looking forward to using that Apple Watch compatibility as well as the live streaming features too. Is there something here that you like, or are there other features that you want to see brought to the X4 soon? Let me know in the comments below, and maybe watch this video next on what I think are the best settings for your X4. I'll see you there.